Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 8th, 2021. This is going to be our Cardano price prediction. Is there any hope left for ADA crypto? Is ADA undervalued? Let's try to figure that out today by looking at the price chart. We're not going to give you guys any confusion, any hype, any FOMO, any FUD. We just want to look at the price to see where the market is anticipated to go for Cardano or ADA, so that we can all be in position and eat off the trap, eat off the market, so we all can profit. So if you guys want to join me, guess what? You can. The doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. We want to make sure that you and I are both able to understand how the market, one, works, and two, how can we profit from it. So if you guys want to join me, tap in. So check this out. Here it is, Cardano. Last time I did our video on Cardano was on September the 20th. You guys can see it. We played a weakness into the market for Cardano. And now my question to you is, look at the price, right? Pay attention to the price in relation to our prediction, right? So what would be your expectations currently by looking at the price in Cardano versus our price prediction? There's a couple of things that's going on into the market that would kind of substantiate that this market in ADA is still weak. You guys probably don't want to hear that, do you? Well, it is what it is. I got to give you the information based off the price and where it's anticipated to go. So now let me show you, okay? I'm not just going to speak it. I'm going to show you why the market is kind of hinting that Cardano or ADA is still weak. So first, look at this. Check this out. Right there, September 25th, right? You guys can see that we had our restriction point around $2.45. We planned that. We saw that right there on September the 20th. That's the first spot. That's the first issue that lets us know that the market in ADA is still weak, right? Second, look at how many times the market in ADA tried to break above this ascending line, right? Look at that. Because this is the actual ascending trend that we want to see Cardano trade along and continue to move higher upon. But right here, October the 2nd, October the 3rd, and even on yesterday's trading day, the market in Cardano got rejected. It's trying to go up. I'm not going to lie about it. The market price in ADA is trying to go up, but it is being hindered by selling right here alongside this ascending line. It's just that easy, just that simple. So looking at ADA, based off those reasonings alone, would substantiate that the market is still weaker than it is currently in terms of strength, right? Now, let me do this. If you guys wasn't able to grab profitability into the market in ADA, literally the first 2 days, possibly again on the 28th and 29th of September, you couldn't get that 6.25% out the market. Sometimes you got to act quickly in the cryptocurrency space because the market moves volatile. Like, you got to be on guard. Sometimes the market hits it quick, and other times it takes a couple of weeks, a couple of days before you're actually able to eat off the market. So let me go ahead and get rid of this, okay? Because I want to give us a fresh pair of eyes in regards to the landscape of ADA's price market. So if you were to get out now, it'd be down 7.31%. All right, so now let's clean this up. So now, one, okay, this ascending line is still important. Yes, it is. It is still important. We still need to make sure that we keep it. I don't want to get rid of it just yet, because based off the last couple of trading days into the market in ADA, lets us know that this line is still having a vital role in what price is doing. So I'm not going to move it. We're going to keep it right there. Now, if you guys can remember, if you guys have been a subscriber of our channel for a long time, you already know, as long as the price in ADA maintains itself below this ascending line, I would even take it up here to $2.40. We're not going to be expecting the market to go up higher than that. It is what it is. We're not going to lead you all on the false pretenses just to get clicks and views. No, we're not. You guys can see it back here that this $2.40 area could literally be restriction. Look at it. It got rejected. Cardano did back on May the 16th, 2021. Price came all the way back down to $1. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to happen again, but that is restriction. So now we got two problems for us to see price go up. First one, if price in ADA does not go up above, okay, $2.40, don't expect the market to go higher than that. And then secondly, if Cardano's price or ADA's price does not break back above this ascending line, that's like a double whammy. Don't expect the market to go up. So these are the current roadblocks that's in our way from allowing us to go up. So let's do it. Until that happens, until we see the market even achieve those two things, we already know at best we're going to consolidate, which is even better because it gives us enough time for us to see the next build up before the market breaks out in ADA. Or it gives us more time for us to take a look at the landscape of ADA's price to be prepared for the market to continue to drop. All right. So now, I think we know what our expectations are then, right? I think we know. So definitely restriction in ADA is going to be up here. I would say like $2.45. So let me increase this up just a little bit higher, like right around here. Okay. If we don't see ADA's price break above 245, guess what? We already know what to expect. So we be kicking back, lounging back, and understand that, well, you know, we already knew that was going to happen. We won't be caught off guard. No, we won't. So now, what I'm going to give you is that I'm not necessarily seeing the weakness neither. Okay. So even though I'm not really expecting the price in ADA to go up, I am expecting it to come down, but not in an extreme sense. I'm not looking for the market to actually collapse or plummet. Nothing of that nature. Nothing of that sort. But yes, we can see it come down still within that consolidation range that I mentioned, that we can see the price go through. Right? So let's run that right there. Now, you know what? Let's look at this from a different time perspective, right? You guys can see that it was pretty much a mixed bag on that last 2-day price bar. This is the 3-day. What about 5-day? What about weekly? See, what I'm getting over the last 2 weeks, which is inclusive of this current week, is that the market is selling in ADA, right? The market participants are offloading their ADA crypto into the market, and people are willing to buy it, right? People are willing to absorb whoever is selling the market in ADA because the price is being very reluctant into dropping. That's the current situation. The market is being very reluctant in dropping in price. Cool. But until we see the market successfully crack back up above $2.45, they're not winning. The ones who are buying ADA, they're not winning right now because they really need to break that price above $2.45, or even at best come back above that ascending line. So if it happens tomorrow, then again, we already know that we need to switch this price prediction that I got on my chart and take the long side or take the buy side of the market, because it overcame these two problems that I identified. Right? So now that's it. This is my expectations. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in ADA. Now, can the price go up? Yes. Initially, my expectations will be for the price in ADA to continue to go up in price, right? But definitely, I'm paying attention to see if price is going to do one of two things. Will it break back up above that ascending line, or will it break this restriction area of $2.45? Okay. Right there. So now this is it. Take a look. This is my expectations. This is my price prediction. Now it's your turn. I'm gonna give you opportunity to call the markets with me. I mean, you saw the charts, you saw the different time frames. Now give me your expectations as to where you think the price in ADA is going to go over the next 3 weeks. In the next 3 weeks, where do you think the price is going to be? I'm not talking about 3 years. I'm not talking about 30 years. In 3 weeks, where do you think the price will be? Let me know. Drop me a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.